For years, parents received one apparently safe piece of career advice. Tell your child to study computer science. Technology companies were growing, software jobs paid well, and learning to code appeared to offer a reliable future. But now AI can generate software in seconds. Graduates are struggling to find entry-level jobs, and enrollment in computer-related courses has started falling. So, did the safest degree suddenly become a mistake? Or are we asking the wrong question? Here's what makes this confusing. The graduate market is genuinely difficult. Recent college graduates are experiencing elevated unemployment and underemployment. Computer and information science enrollment has also declined sharply. But at the same time, software development remains a growing occupation. AI, cybersecurity, data, and technological literacy remain among the most valuable future skills. So how can technology jobs be growing while technology graduates are struggling? Because job demand and entry-level opportunity are not the same thing. Traditionally, junior developers learned through smaller tasks. They created simple screens, fixed basic bugs, wrote documentation, tested features, and gradually learned how larger systems worked. Those are precisely the tasks AI can increasingly help perform. The senior role has not necessarily disappeared, but some of the work that trained a beginner to become senior is being compressed. That is the hidden system. AI is not simply removing jobs from the top. It is changing the first step of the career ladder. This does not make coding useless. Calculators did not make mathematics useless. They changed what people were expected to do with mathematics. AI is doing something similar to programming. Writing a basic piece of code is becoming easier. Understanding whether it is secure, scalable, accurate, and suitable for the real problem remains difficult. The valuable engineer will not merely produce code. They will know what should be built, how the pieces connect, where the system can fail, and whether the AI-generated answer can be trusted. What about computer engineering? Computer engineering combines software with electronics, processors, embedded systems, and physical devices. That can lead into semiconductors, robotics, vehicles, medical equipment, and connected products. These fields still need people who understand how software interacts with the physical world. But computer engineering is not automatically a safer choice. It requires stronger interest in mathematics, physics, circuits, and laboratory work. A student who dislikes those subjects should not choose it simply because parents believe hardware is protected from AI. The right degree must match both the future market and the child's genuine strengths.
Instead of asking, which degree is completely safe from AI, parents should check 4 things. Foundation. Does the course build mathematics, logic, communication, and systems thinking? Tools will change. Strong foundations travel between tools. Fluency. Will the student learn coding, data, and AI tools and understand their limitations? Using AI is important. Depending on AI without understanding the result is dangerous. Field. Can technology be combined with a real-world area? Healthcare, finance, energy, cybersecurity, robotics, education, or design. Technology plus domain knowledge is harder to replace than generic technical ability. Proof. Will the student graduate with projects, internships, research, competitions, or real users? A qualification says what someone studied. Evidence shows what they can actually do.
For younger children, parents do not need to predict a job title 10 years in advance. Give them opportunities to test how they think. Let them build a simple game, connect a sensor, analyze a small dataset, design something for another person, write and present an idea. Watch what they continue doing after the assignment ends. The goal is not to create a programmer at age 10. It is to discover whether the child enjoys solving problems through technology. So, is learning coding or computer engineering a mistake? No.
But treating a degree as a guaranteed ticket to a job is. The safest career will not belong to the person who memorized one tool. It will belong to the person who can keep learning, understand a real problem, and use whatever tools exist to solve it responsibly. Parents should not prepare children for one permanent job. They should prepare them to remain useful as jobs change. The headline tells you what happened. The system tells you why.
If you enjoy seeing what's really happening behind the technology affecting our choices and our future, like this video and subscribe to Decoded in 5. There are many more hidden systems waiting to be decoded. Until next time, keep looking beyond the headline.